Wait a minute. How come I got $10 and you got 50?
Because I arranged it. I did the paperwork. I made the phone calls. I drove you down.
Crying. They were arrested for vagrancy.
For God's sake, help us. Institutionalize us for the rest of our natural lives. Your Honor, my clients come from a small town in West Virginia. 2 weeks ago, Mr. Wheeler lost his job when a tornado leveled the diner he washed dishes at. It also destroyed the adjoining trailer park. Our camper was in stall 6. It wasn't much. Ma'am, it isn't anything.
They found one of the axles in a lamp on top of a laundromat in the next county.
I lost my dog. We had to dig a collar out of a tree.
Something local too bad.
Oh, it's what happened to the puppies.
That girl is wearing a potato sack.
I know. They always look awful.
I don't know what to do, Ashley. I guess I've forgotten how I did it.
Anyway, the real McCoy.
I mean, it's recording you over there, but I don't know how to get it show up on the TV.
Relocate to Florida when they were at the Port Authority.
No, I have to look at that. Just turn the TV off.
Everything, their suitcases, their money, their wallets, their clothes, their daughter's cabbage. Oh, come on, you made this.
Hey, you know, this is quite fun. Picture room now, Daddy.
Never, sweetheart.
We'll just play it back, I guess.
Hi,
Hi.
my name is Ashley Mitchell. I'm 5 years old.
Well, Ashley, when you do auditions, do they have a TV in there with you on it, or they just have you on film?
I think they have me on film.
Do they have a TV in there where you can see yourself, though?
Uh-huh.
You can?
But I don't look in it.
You don't ever look in it,
Because
huh?
I'm getting older and older. I'm almost 6 years old.
When,
And I have a cat named Smokey. We just got her at home.
well, today when you went on your audition for McDonald's, did they have a TV in there?
A TV in
Or just a camera?
a TV and a camera.
They had both?
Just like this.
Really?
Uh-huh.
But you didn't look at yourself on the TV, you just looked into the camera.
Oh, and I have something to bring to your house, Miss Allison.
What?
Bananas. So we can eat them.
All right, that's awfully sweet of you, thank you.
You're welcome. There you go.
Why don't you come interview me?
Interview you.
Yeah, I'll sit on the couch and you ask me questions.
But hang on. I have a special thing that I would like to share with you.
Okay.
My special vegetable and my special thing is a peach, and my favorite vegetable is a tomato.
Oh. You know what? A tomato's actually a fruit.
Oh, yikes.
Yeah, but most people think of it as a vegetable, but it's actually scientifically classified as a fruit.
Oh,
Isn't that interesting?
well, what?
I said, isn't that interesting?
Yeah.
You tell Miss Ferguson tomorrow you know that a tomato's a fruit. And so is a peach. I think Daddy's mowing the yard.